show you DIY macrame earrings which you can create easily. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
First we have to start cutting this cord. I'm just gonna measure it. Cut 4 pieces of 12" each. Take each piece and fold it in half. Put these 2 tails over this hole from behind. Make sure the lengths are equal and then pull it off tightly. Then you do that to all of them. Separate these 4 so you will get 4 stands in the middle. Take the left stand and fold it across the middle too. Right stand will be under the left stand and pull it over the loop that left stand has made. Pull it to tighten. We will repeat this. Now put the right stand, fold it over the centers and the left stand in the loop and pull it tight. Take the last piece on this piece. It will be on top of it and fold across. Pull it tight. You are gonna do 2 times to one strand. Do this till the middle. Now do the same thing on the left side. Put the last piece over this piece and fold it across and pull it tight. Do this 2 times to one string. Again you are gonna do this till the middle. These 2 middle cords will form a simple knot. Then you are gonna brush them. So open it like this. Open each cord like this. Just take a toothbrush and start brushing it. This will take a lot of time, but it will look very nice.
Hope you like these earrings. Do try it out, and for more updates follow me on my Instagram.